So, you guys want to learn how to sell your sneakers on Go, right, bro? This is the perfect video for you, bro. I'm glad you are here, bro. Today, we're going to be running through the steps on how to sell on Go, bro. All the steps by me, bro. Step by step, bro. Everything you need to know about selling on Go. Let's get it!
Ooh, sticking to the paper, I ain't using glue. All my diamonds dripping more than water from the pool. I think I'm like man, floating by the moon. Unpredictable, I'll let you know my mood.
Yes, sir! It's your boy Sneakahead Dads. We back with another freaking video, man. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, because y'all know me. I'm blessed by the best. Without stress, you dig? I'm feeling wonderful, bro. It's a great day. Bro, it's a great day, bro. I ain't even gonna lie, bro. This is a wonderful day, bro. I feel like, bro, of course, bro, every day you wake up, bro, you can move your hands, your eyes. You can see. Bro, you can see. You are breathing, bro. God is in you, bro. Like, you are blessed, young boy. Young girl, you are blessed. Like, bro. You blessed, boy. Girl, you blessed, girl. I ain't gonna lie. Every day you wake up, bro, you can do all this. Come on, man. Come on, man. It's something else, bro. It's something else, bro. Everybody ain't doing it every day. But every day. Come on now. So look, check this out, guys, bro. You guys are here, obviously, because you want to learn how to sell your sneakers on Go, right? Bro, easiest thing in the freaking book, bro. I done done this countless amount of times, bro. I done sold plenty sneakers on Go. New and used, bro. Today, we're going to be talking about how to sell new sneakers, bro. This is the easiest thing in the book. I know a lot of people. I know a lot of y'all know how to do it, but I know it's a lot of people that don't know how to do it. So, this video is for the people that do not know how to sell sneakers on Go, bro. Simple as that. I remember when I first wanted to, you know what I'm saying, actually get into reselling or selling sneakers just to make a little extra cash, but I didn't know how to do it. I finally went out and took that risk. I watched a couple videos, of course, bro. Pretty much like you watching right now, right? Got to sell it just like that. But the thing was, bro, I felt like a lot of those videos were kind of like, it was too much, bro. They ain't really just get to the point. Today, bro, we're going to be getting straight to the point on how to sell your sneakers on Go. Make the extra money that you need to make. Clear that space up in your closet for a pair of shoes that you're not wearing, bro. Easy. Today, we're going to get right into it, right? So, the first thing you want to do when you selling on Go, if you look forward to selling on Go, bro, first, download the app, bro. Do that, bro. Download the app right now, bro. Download it right now, bro. I'll wait on you. I'll wait.
5 minutes later.
You download the app, they're going to ask you to create an account or create, you know what I'm saying? You're going to have to create a new account, right? I'm not going to go through the steps on how to create an account because I don't work for Go and Go is not paying me for this. So we're not going to go that deep into it. I'm not no Go expert. Like, I don't work for Go, so I'm not going to get into that. You guys just follow all the instructions that Go tells you to do when creating a new account, and you know what I'm saying? It's pretty much straightforward after that. But after you get into the actual app, right, you're going to be faced with the menu, bro. The menu looks exactly like this. I don't know how it's going to look when you download the app, but it looks like this right now on mine. And all you got to do is go to the sale tab on the bottom, the right side of the screen, the bottom right of the screen, and it's going to say, bro, as soon as you click it, it's going to say, sell your sneakers right there on the top of the screen. That black, the big black tab right here, it says sell your sneakers, right? You gonna click that. Easy, right? In this case right here, bro, we gonna be selling these Ferrari yellow 14s, bro. They big as hell. They're size 13, bro. Look, of course, bro, if you got shoes you can't fit that you look forward to sell and making some money off of, you can't fit them. What's the point of holding them? Bro, get rid of them bad boys. That's exactly what I'm finna do today. That's why I thought it was a great example for me to actually do this video on these, because I'm not gonna wear these shoes. I was gonna sell these anyway, whether I did a video on them or not. But I thought, like, why not actually do a video on these to show you guys? Cause I'm gonna get them. Like I said, I'm getting rid of them anyway. So it's like, yeah. But anyway, guys, man, you're gonna be faced with this tab right here, bro. You can either type in the shoes SKU number, or you can type in the name of the actual shoe. Like, the SKU number on these is, I ain't finna try and find that junk. I'm gonna just type in the Ferrari yellow. Ferrari 14. And when I type in Ferrari 14, it pops up right there, bro. As you guys can see, it's right there. Air Jordan 14 reverse Ferrari, right? So we're gonna click on it. Of course, this is a size 13 right here. Yeah, size 13. The condition of these are new, right? The condition of these are new. So it asks, what's the sneaker condition? It is new. So we're gonna go to next right here. Bow. Alright. The condition of the box. What's the condition of the box? As you guys can see, bro. Look at the box, bro. It's in decent condition, but it's no lid missing. Everything is on this box. It's a few creases, but it's all good for the most part. So we gonna say the box is in good condition. It's in good condition, bro. It's looking good. Are there any issues? Is it B grade, bro? This is a brand new shoe, bro. Like, it's nothing wrong. Let me show you guys, bro. I'm gonna have to show you guys, dog. Like, brand new, bro. It's nothing. The tree is in there, bro. Everything is in there, bro. I don't even want to show y'all too much. I want y'all trying to see it. Y'all ain't trying to see the shoe, though. I just figured out. Goddamn. I just figured out. You know what I'm saying? So in that case, bro, it asks, are there no defects? I just showed y'all there's no defects. So we're gonna click the no defects tab on the bottom right there, right? No defects. Now the next tab pretty much asks what you want the price of your shoes to be sold for. The highest or the lowest pretty much price on these is $225. That's the lowest price. We can go lower than that, bro. I really don't plan on busting nobody's head to get these shoes, because me personally, not like my typical like shoes. Like, you know what I'm saying? They not my type. I thought they was pretty cool, but they not, you know what I'm saying? They not for me. So I can just say that. So I'm not gonna bust nobody's head for them. Cause I won't want nobody to bust their head on me for these, because you know what I'm saying? They not really, to me personally, they not really just all that. You know what I'm saying? You can have your opinion on them, but just, you know. But anyway, bro, the lowest price $225. Should we go $220 or $215? We can go either or, but I'm gonna go $220 since the lowest $225, right? So bow. We're gonna do that right there. We're gonna list it, and it's gonna ask us to take a couple pictures of it just to pretty much verify that our shoe is legit, is real, is right there. That we actually pretty much have the shoe. So we're gonna do that right now, bro. Simple, man. Simple. So first, they pretty much ask us to take a picture of the sneaker tag. Sneaker tag is pretty much always on the inside of the shoe. So what we're gonna do is take a picture of the tag first, bro. Let these people know, man, that these sneakers are 100% authentic. So let's do it. Wow. Took that. For the second picture, bro, by this being brand new shoes, on used shoes, they're gonna ask us to take like, they gonna want us to take pictures of all angles of the shoe. But by these being new, it's like, why would you want to actually like take pictures of the entire shoe when this shoe is listed as new? It's like, you know it's new and you know what it looked like. You know what I'm saying? So it's like, what are we the point of it? So we're gonna take pictures of both sides of the shoe, bro. We're gonna stand up right here. Stand up right here, easy as pie, man. These shoes are so goddamn big, but they are clean though. They are clean, but just like, I don't know. The third picture is to take a picture of the box. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna take a picture of this box to pretty much show the condition. Just like that, bro. It's simple as pie, bro. Simple as pie, guys. Simple as pie, my guys. Easy. After that, after we take the third picture, and we're gonna say done. And after that, you can preview it if you want to. Preview all the stuff that you just went through, or you can just go ahead and just hit submit and list your shoe. Y'all see that now my shoe is up for grabs, right? Up for grabs, right? Easy. All we have to do now, guys, is wait for somebody to simply buy the shoe, bro. If they want to buy it, they're gonna buy it right there, bro. Or they're gonna place an offer on it, and it will be your choice if you want to accept the offer of how much they willing to pay for it. Like if I'm selling my shoes for $220 and somebody throw up an offer for $190, I can choose to accept that $190, or I could wait till somebody actually buys it for the price that I'm asking for it. Pretty much. It's simple. It's just like that. But we gonna wait until somebody actually purchases this. $220, bro. It's easy money, bro. But ain't no telling how long it's gonna take for my shoes to sell. But we gonna bring, bro. We gonna bring it right back for y'all, bro. We gonna bring it right back for y'all. Whether this takes a week or two, it don't even matter, bro. I want to bring this video for you guys, so we gonna wait however long. We gonna see y'all in a minute, bro. We gonna see y'all, bro. Hold on.
2 days later.
Alright guys, man, it's a few days later and I got good news, bro. My shoes just sold, you know what I'm saying? No, bro, please don't mind my hair. My face looks dry, bro. My breath looks stanky, bro. It's all good, bro. I actually just woke up, you know what I'm saying? But let's get to this next step, right? Next, what you want to do is, bro, you want to click on that sale tab right there, bro. And it says need to confirm right there. Y'all see that? Hold up, let me let it clear up. Need to confirm. Boom. Need to confirm. My yellow Ferrari 14 right there. Bow. It's selling. Come on now. Mine's like you don't want to click, bro. Okay, yes sir. And it says confirm, bro. Confirm. Confirm that sale. Bow. And it says, please confirm that the sneakers are new. Size 13 audit. If they're not received as described, they can be rejected during verification. Bow. We shouldn't have that problem because these are brand new dead stock sneakers, so it's all good. Bow. And it says, please ship within 3 business days, Monday through Saturday of the day of the order being placed. Failure to ship will result in an auto cancellation and the review of your seller account. We ain't got to worry about that because we finna get all that done today. So what we're gonna do is generate the prepaid UPS label right there. You see that? Bow. And it's gonna bow. And yes sir. And all we gotta do right now, bro, is just go get the prepaid UPS label out of our email. Whatever your email is, go to that email that you set up with your GOAT account. And you know what I'm saying, download that and print out your UPS label. Easy as pie, right? Let's get it. Fortunately for me, bro, I don't have a printer, bro. I do not have my own printer at home, bro. I need one, bro. All this time I've been selling shoes, bro, I have not had a printer, bro. I normally, like when I was back in school, bro, I used to print all my UPS labels back in my computer lab back in college. But shit, we don't have that option no more since nigga graduated. But now, you know what I'm saying, I gotta grind it out, bro. I gotta see some other way. My brother, good thing, my brother actually has a printer, bro. I'm gonna hit him up and see, you know what I'm saying, if he got some ink in his printer. And we're just gonna go from there, bro. You might not even pick up the phone, bro. You might not even pick up the phone, bruh. Goddamn, look, Cam, boy, I was expecting you to come through, man. Goddamn, he ain't gonna pick up the phone, boy. I know that boy working hard, though, so I ain't really just got a goddamn like that. My last option right now, bro, is to go to my uncle's house, bro. His house is actually right down the street, like 5 houses down, bro. Just walk down there and see what's good with him, bro. See if he at the crib. I'm sure, bro, 100% he'll let me print some. I gotta get me a printer, bro. I'm just like $100. Definitely be like a great investment, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I suggest anybody to get a printer, bro. If you're in this reselling business, bro, knowing that you shipping off Go to StockX, bro, I think you should definitely get a printer, bro, because you don't want to just be roaming, you know what I'm saying, place to place trying to find printers and people who print and they not available. Then you ain't gonna be able to say shoes. You gotta look, you know what I'm saying. You like, goddamn, I can't ship my shoes 'cause I ain't got no way to print them. Goddamn, you know what I'm saying. So you definitely want to invest in your printer. I think that's a great investment, bro. Definitely, bro. I need to get me one myself, bro. Like I gotta get one, bro. I gotta get one. But yeah, let's see what my uncle talking about right now, bro. Let's get it. Man, I got my toes out today, man. I got them toes out today, man. It's hot as hell, boy. It's like 100 degrees out here. Of course I got my toes out, boy. Let me stop. Get a goddamn. Ooh, yes sir. Yes sir. His house like right actually down the street, right on the corner, bro. See, cutting the grass. Really ain't gonna disturb him too much. I'ma just pretty much like ask him, like, could I use it? Or could I borrow when he get done? Alright guys, man, now that we got the shipping label, all we gotta do is ship these bad boys on out. Simple as that. If you guys have no clue on what size your shipping boxes should be, bro, check this out, bro. Don't even worry about that. I got the solution right here for you, bro. We got the 16 10x6 boxes right here, bro. I'm gonna link them down in the description below. If you guys want to check them out, man, hit the freaking link in the description below. It's gonna show you everything. But lucky for me, I already got a box right here, bro. I got a GOAT box, bro. I got the GOAT box right here. It's already ready for me. It's pre-ready for me, just like the label. So all we want to do is put the box inside the box. Simple as that. And I got a little paper somewhere. Here you go. Yeah, got the little paper stick on the side to be somewhat protection, be somewhat protection, bro. That's all you want to do is put some type of protection in the box so you won't damage your shoe on the way to go. You know what I'm saying? That's what you want to do, bro. After you do all that, guys, pretty much all you got to do, bro, is simply tape up the box and put the label on it, bro. I'm not gonna show y'all how to do that, bro, because y'all should know how to do that. A 3-year-old can do that. I'm not gonna show y'all. Lucky for you guys, bro, y'all don't even have to do that, bro. Y'all don't even have to put the goddamn label on the box and tape it up, bro. They actually will do that at your local UPS. I can't even say your local UPS because I don't know if all UPSs do this, but I know at my UPS, if I take the box up there without the label, without it taped on, they'll actually tape it for me, and I really won't have nothing to worry about. But to take the load off their back, I'd rather just go ahead and get it out the way, bro. You know what I'm saying? Just go ahead and get it out the way, get in, get out, you know what I'm saying? Take care of my business just like that. But you don't have to do that. Just a reminder. Alright guys, man, now that we got the shipping label on the box, everything taped up, ready to go, all we gotta do is drop the box off at UPS and we good to go, bro. Simple as pie, right? Let's get into it, bro. Alright guys, man, if you made it to this point in the video, that pretty much means that you know exactly how to sell on Go. I explained every detail from start to finish how to sell on Go, bro. And I explained it in the most simplest way, bro, like for anybody to understand. So, bro, if you failed to get anything, bro, just go back. I'm gonna put all the directions down in the description below. If you want to go check that out, go check it out, bro. Everything I said in the video is definitely gonna be in the description below, so check it out. But yeah, man, after you turn your package in, they're gonna give you this drop-off package receipt right here. You really don't have to get this. I just get it to just, you know what I'm saying, just show record that I actually did drop off a package. So if they do call me, you know what I'm saying, saying that, you know what I'm saying, anything going on in my package, I got the receipt showing that I dropped it off. Like, and just put it in record, you know what I'm saying, just put it in record. But anyway, guys, man, if you found this video entertaining, if it was informing to you in any way, man, feel free to drop a like and also subscribe to the channel if you're new. Hit the freaking notification bell because I got a lot of lit content on the way, bro. And that's pretty much it, bro. Sneakahead Dads, we out this joint in 3, 2, 1.
Shout out to my mama, cause she taught me to finesse. I'm the king of the jungle, bitch, I'm beating on my chest. I knew I would fly way before I left the